Good morning to everyone. Today we want to discuss about cultivation practices of tobacco. I am Mr. Shivaji Ramdar Lanje, Assistant Professor of Agronomy at KKR College Nashik. Introduction. The botanical name of tobacco is Nicotiana species, family Solanaceae, origin Mexico and Central America. Major growing countries of tobacco: India, China, Poland, Pakistan, Italy, Africa. States in which tobacco is commonly grown: Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Economic importance. Tobacco is important cash crop. Tobacco crop is grown for its leaves, which are used as cured product. It is smoked as pipe, cigar, cigarette, hookah, used as snuff or chewed as a quite in many forms. India ranks second in world tobacco production. It earns foreign exchange. Besides, it provides an employment potential to the people in cultivation, curing, grading, factories, and cottage industries. An industrial product of considerable importance is nicotine sulfate, which is prepared from tobacco for insecticidal use. Classification. Commonly, there are two species. First is Nicotiana tobacco. Commonly, it is used for smoking and chewing purpose. It can be used in manufacturing cigarettes, cigar, cheroots, bidi, chewing and smoke purpose. Second is Nicotiana rustica. It is used for hookah, chewing and snuff purpose. Soil and climatic requirement. Soil. It can be grown on sandy loam to clay loam soils. Waterlogging not suitable for tobacco. Acidic and saline soils are not useful. Well fertile soils are preferred for cigar pipe, hookah, chewing purpose tobacco, while light soils and low fertile soils prefer for cigarette and bidi tobacco. pH range 6.5 to 7.5. Climate. It requires cool and dry climate. Temperature. It requires 21 degrees Celsius temperature for germination and entire growth. It requires up to 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Varieties. Commonly grown varieties in India are Gautami, Bhavya, Jayashree, Swarna, Anand 2, Anand 3, Anand 23, Anand 119, Bhavani Special, Lanka Special, and Prabha. It requires fine seed bed, one plowing followed by 2 to 3 harrowing. Spacing. It is depend upon variety, which variety which are growing, that variety needed a different spacing. The varieties commonly spacings are 80 centimeter to 80 centimeter length and 60 centimeter breadth. Sowing time. It can be sown on October to November. Transplanting commonly done in November. Sowing depth 1 to 2 centimeter. Seed treatment. Captain at the 3 gram per kg of seeds. Raising of tobacco seedlings. Site selection while preparation of nursery bed. Nursery area should be well drained and should be preferably on higher level. There should be about 0.5 meter wide channel between beds. Manures and fertilizer management in nursery. Apply 50 tons of FOM or compost is required. For poor soils, 50 kg of ammonium sulfate and 300 kg of single superphosphate is required. Sometime for magnesium deficient soils, apply dolomite. Time of sowing: second fortnight of August. If nursery are sown early, the seedlings may become ready for planting when fields may not be ready for transplanting. Seed treatment. Tobacco seed is soaked overnight in water and then keeping in moist in gunny bags. Seed coat will start to splitting in 3 to 6 days. Water management in nursery. Beds should be kept moist but not too wet. In stages during sunny days, 5 to 6 waterings are needed. Use rose cane for watering to avoid dislocation of seeds. Transplanting. The field should be very well prepared for transplanting. Only good rooted seedlings are used for transplanting. Seedlings should be 50 cm in height and 5 to 7 leaves are good for cigarette tobacco, but BD tobacco requires smaller seedlings. As far as possible, seedlings should be transplanted immediately after pulling. Transplanting can be done in afternoon to avoid heat of sun. Immediately after transplanting, light irrigation should be given for maintain proper moisture. Plants which have not established well or not grown well should be replaced by new seedlings. Manures and fertilizers. We can apply 10 to 12 tons of FOM at final land preparation. Water and irrigation management. Water management of tobacco crop depends upon tobacco type and region it is grown. Chewing and hookah tobacco requires 2 to 3 irrigations. In flue cured tobacco, 6 to 7 irrigations are required. In case of flue cured tobacco, water quality is considered to be important as it adversely affected when crop is irrigated with water having chloride content 5 ppm, 50 ppm.